Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. The topic of our discussion is muscles. First of all, we will discuss what are muscles, a band or bundle of fibrous tissues in a human or animal body that has the ability to contract, producing movement in or maintaining the position of parts of body, for example, cardiac muscles, smooth muscles, and skeletal muscles. About half of your body weight is muscle. In the muscular system, muscle tissue is categorized into three distinct types, that is skeletal, cardiac and smooth. Each type of muscle tissue in the human body has a unique structure and a specific role. Skeletal muscles move bones and other structures. Cardiac muscles contract the heart to pump blood. The smooth muscle tissues that forms organs like the stomach and bladder changes shape to facilitate body functions. Here are more detail about the structure and function of each type of muscle tissue in the human muscular system. First, kinds of muscle. There are three types of muscle tissues, that is cardiac muscle, smooth muscle and skeletal muscles. Cardiac muscle cells are located in the walls of the heart, appear striated and are under involuntary control, that is we can't control their movement. Smooth muscles, along with skeletal and cardiac muscles, one of the type of muscle tissue in the body. Smooth muscle generally forms the supporting tissue of blood vessels and hollow internal organs such as stomach, intestine and bladder, and these are the example of smooth muscles you can see here. Smooth muscle is found in the walls of hollow organs throughout the body. Smooth muscles contractions are involuntary, that is we can't control movement triggered by impulses that travel through the autonomic nervous system to smooth muscle tissues. The arrangement of cells within smooth muscle tissues allow for contraction and relaxation with great elasticity. The smooth muscle in the wall of organs like the urinary bladder and the uterus allow those organs to expand and relax as needed. The smooth muscle of the alimentary canal, the digestive tract facilitate the peristaltic waves that move swallowed food and nutrition. In the eye, smooth muscle changes the shape of lens to bring object into focus. Artery walls include smooth muscle that relax and contract to move blood through the body. Next one is cardiac muscles. Cardiac muscle, that is heart muscles, is also involuntary, that is we cannot control their movements. Striated muscle that is found in the walls of histological foundation of the heart, specifically the myocardium, and you can see here its structure. Cardiac muscle contracts in response to signals from the cardiac conduction system. The heart wall is composed of three layers. The middle layer, the myocardium, is responsible for heart's pumping action. Cardiac muscles found only in the myocardium contracts in response to signals from the cardiac conduction system to make the heart beat. Cardiac muscles is made from cells called cardiocytes. Like skeletal muscle cells, cardiocytes have a striated appearance, but their overall structure is shorter and thicker. Cardiocytes are branched, allowing them to contact with several other cardiocytes, forming the network that facilitate coordinated contraction. Next one is skeletal muscles, a muscle that is connected to the skeleton to form part of mechanical system that moves the limbs and other parts of the body, and these are the examples of skeletal muscles. The human body has over 600 skeletal muscles that move bone and other structures. Skeletal muscles attach to and move bones by contracting and relaxing in response to voluntary messages from the nervous system. Skeletal muscle tissue is composed of long cells called muscle fibers that have a striated appearance. Muscle fibers are organized into bundles supplied by blood vessels and innervated by motor neurons. Now we will discuss how do you keep your muscles healthy. Number one is exercise also help keep your muscles healthy. Muscle cell get smaller and weaker without exercise. Weak muscles can increase the risk of heart diseases. Bone injuries can happen more often when muscles are not healthy. Joints might not be stable when muscles are small and weak, so exercise is very necessary for muscle health. How to keep your muscular system healthy? To keep your muscular system healthy, eat lots of fruits and vegetables and drink lots of water. Also do some walking and exercising at least one a day. Another way is to cut down all the foods you eat that contain sugar. What do our muscles do? Number one is enable us to move our body parts, give us our individual shape, protect and keep in place our abdominal organs, enable us to maintain good posture, help in the circulation of blood, generate body that when they contract.